Hi guys, the 4th generation Toyota RAV4 Hybrid doesn't have the 12-volt battery under the hood. Instead, it only has the plus terminal, which can be useful if you want to jump start the car. If you want to replace the battery, it actually is located in the back of the vehicle, and right now we'll show you where it is. To access the battery, you need to remove this cover. Then you'll see the battery sign on the plastic here, which is removable. This cover comes out, and now we have access to both terminals, in case if you want to do the jump start this way. But if you want to completely replace the battery, you can also remove this plastic piece completely, and now you have complete access to the 12-volt battery. I'll put everything back together. It's very easy. This piece goes back, this one, and the final cover.